Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on iOS 18. To remove a widget, press and hold on it, then click on Remove Widget or Remove Stack if it's a smart stack. Then tap on Remove again to confirm, and now the widget has been removed. To add a new widget, press and hold on your home screen, then tap on Edit. Click on Add Widget, and now choose a widget you want to add. These are your suggestions, but you can also just choose an app of which you want to add the widget. I'm gonna add a smart stack. This allows me to scroll through different widgets in one place. You can choose the size of your smart stack as well as other widgets, and then press on Add Widget. You can press and hold on it. You can press on Done, then press and hold on it. To adjust its settings, click on Edit Stack to edit it. Here, you can click on a minus on the categories you want to remove from your smart stack, and you can also move the widgets on smart stack. I'm gonna move weather. I'm gonna let weather stay in the smart stack, but I'm gonna scroll through it to move it to the top, then press on Done, and now done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.